Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview ZeoSand Pool Filter Filtration Media 25 pounds bag. What is ZeoSand Pool Filter Filtration Media? It's a far more effective filter media than sand, makes water crystal clear, and helps prevent eye irritation. Chloramines. Product benefits: 50% less backwash time. Traps dirt as small as 3 microns, 10 times smaller than sand can filter. Reduces burning eyes. Lasts up to 5 years. Usage directions: 1. Remove sand and make needed repairs. 2. Fill filter halfway with water. 3. Pour the ZeoSand into the filter. 4. Backwash until clear water comes from the filter. Water-saving tip: pool or spa water can be saved by pre-rinsing ZeoSand in a bucket to remove most of the green dust. Pour the ZeoSand in a bucket and rinse with a garden hose until most of the dust is removed. Then, follow normal installation instructions to make sure all of the remaining dust is removed. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.